All right, Sam, we're looking at worksheet number 3. So this is just review over polynomial operations, okay? So just remember that when we add or subtract, well, this one's subtract, or if we add, that we can only combine like terms, okay? I'm gonna do number 2 and number 4 as an example, just to remind you. So here, I notice that I have to the 4th and to the 4th, so I can combine these. So this is really 1 minus 4, which gives me negative 3x to the 4th. This one's to the 3rd, this one's to the 3rd, so this is negative 3 minus 8. So we have negative 3 minus 8, because that's a positive, so we go minus 8. So it's going to be negative 11x to the 3rd. And then I have a positive 7 minus a negative. So you got to think 7 minus negative 7. So minus a negative turns into a plus. So this would be plus 14x squared. Okay? So when subtracting, again, you can only combine like terms. So anything that has the same exponent. Now notice our exponents didn't change at all, right? Just the numbers, the big coefficients change. All right, and then when adding, same thing. You can only combine like terms. Let me find one that you're not supposed to do. Okay, we're going to do number 4. All right, so I have 6x to the 4th, 3x to the 4th. So I can add those. So that gives me 9x to the 4th. This is 8 plus, oh, but look, this does not have a squared and this does have a squared, so I cannot combine those. So the top one has no x squared term, so I have to think in my head it's 0x squared plus 3x squared. So this is just a positive 3x squared. Now I have, here's 8x and here's negative 4x. So this is 8 plus negative 4. So that's going to give me 4x. And then I just have a number here. I don't have just a number here, so you got to think in your head a 0. So negative 6 plus 0 is just negative 6. Okay? And then you also have some multiplying. So multiplying, this is FOIL, remember? So I'll give you an example of FOIL here on the back. All right, so this is 8x minus 3 times 8x minus 3. So first, so 8 times 8 is 64x squared. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24x. Negative 3 times x is negative 24x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And then we combine the two middle terms. So 64x squared minus 48x plus 9. Okay, so that's just going over the FOIL. This multiplication right here, you're just going to distribute to everything on the inside. Okay? And then on this worksheet, down here at the bottom, this is the answer bank. So if you don't find your answer down here, then you know you didn't do it right. All right, so make sure you turn this into Miss Meadows for credit. Thanks, Sam.